Hey everybody, all right. More updates on the process of naturalization to become a US citizen. So for those who are eligible, you have a green card, you don't have extensive travel, you meet the continuous and physical presence requirements. Guess what? Last week I shared with you the requirement of good moral character evidence, basically stating by not having criminal history, that's no longer enough to prove you're a person of good moral character. You now have to get evidence that you're a person of good moral character. Recently, as of this week, they're making the process even more difficult by stating USCIS will now have the right to do neighborhood checks, meaning going into your actual neighborhood to ask questions if they wanted to, go to work or people in your life to try to verify whether or not you're a person of good moral character, despite not having criminal history. Now, I don't know what type of resources they have or how many people this is going to be applied to, but it's very clear they're going to make it as difficult as possible to become a US citizen, even though you've already gone through all the background checks and you still have to prove you got your green card legally and you still have to prove you don't have any issues with the law. They're now going to go ask your neighbors or coworkers or people in your life who knows what those intentions might be, and how is that information going to be verified? So I've said it before, if you're thinking about applying for naturalization, the time is now. If you've been sitting on it, let us know, let an attorney know, and really consider filing for your US citizenship. It seems like each week they're adding more and more to the requirements and your burden to demonstrate that you're eligible. Let me know if you have any questions.